Setu Institute of Technology, an autonomous institution accredited with A grade by NAAC, 4,873 students, 424 students placed in 2019-2020 batch, and 18,000 plus alumni. And Times Engineering All India Level Ranking 2018, ranked among private engineering colleges 56, ranked for placement as 15th, and ranked for research as 33rd. The vision of the college is to promote excellence in technical education and scientific research for the benefit of society. And the mission is to provide quality technical education to fulfill the aspiration of the student and to meet the needs of the industry, to provide holistic learning ambience, to impart skills leading to employability and entrepreneurship, to establish effective linkage with industries, to promote research and development activities, and also to offer service for the development of society through education and technology. And the core values are quality, commitment, innovation, teamwork, and courtesy. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Setu Institute of Technology: Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Information Technology, Computer Science and Business Systems, Biomedical Engineering, Agricultural Engineering, Civil Engineering, and Biotechnology. Of marks for various castes and various departments. For OC 148 to 179, for BCM 143 to 175, for BC 143 to 176, for MBC 115 to 169, and for SC 97 to 139. The facilities are library, the uniqueness of the library, the expansive study space blended with state-of-art facilities. The library has high density of shelving for printed collections, library digital collection, audiovisual materials, facilities, etc. The library also has vast collection of CD-ROM publications, e-books, floppy disks, audio cassettes, and technical reports. The library is fully LibreSoft modern lib computerized, which enables the user to search the availability of the resources. And the clubs at SIT or SIT Toastmaster Club, NSS, SIT Eco Club, Fine Arts Club, Rotaract Club, and Women Empowerment Cell. Transport: Setu Institute of Technology Transport Section operates a fleet of 56 buses with driver strength of 65. Apart from this, there are 15 Mazda vans and 15 cars to ply from different destinations. Transport is the main facility considering the strength of around 2,400 students, 359 faculty, and other 304 staff members. The college is fully geared up to meet all the needs of the better commuting from the college to respective places from faraway locations covering almost 60 kilometers in and around Madurai city. Hostels: the hall of residence are provided with built-in wardrobes, cupboards, cots, tables, chairs, including hot water facility. Round-the-clock phone facilities available, and also to continuously monitor the hostel campus securities will be on their duty 24/7. The Wi-Fi technology enables inmates to update their knowledge then and there. The dining halls are always maintained with spick and span, and hygienic food is provided for the inmates. There is a separate vegetarian and non-vegetarian dining hall. Many more facilities are available such as prayer hall, TV hall, gym hall, browsing center, net room, and store. Carrom board and other indoor games are provided for recreation. Placement statistics from 2019-2020 batch: 424 offers. In 2018-19, 856 offers. In 17-18, 834 offers. In 16-17, 763 placement offers. And the major recruiters are Tata Consultancy Services, Lanson and Turbo Limited, Infotech, Temnos, Sundaram Fasteners Limited, Digital Nirvana, IBM, Jasmine Infotech, iHars, Innovons, Vernalis, Hexaware, Technip, CSS Corp, Verix, Maverick, Input Solutions, Congruent, Glenwood Systems, Renault Nissan, American Megatrends, Cognizant Technology Solutions, InfoView, FL Smith, CAPL, SAV, Sagensis, Smart, Aspire Systems, Aptivo, Blue Whale, Verizon, Pacific, iCAD, Vulum, ELGI, Sanmina, Sanmar, TVS Infotech, Brakes India Limited, CNO, Solaritis, SPIC, Sintel, Products, Sutherland, FSS, SRM Technologies, HCL, and many more. The result comparison from 2015 to 2018. 65 percentage in 2015, 69 in 2016, 88 in 2017, and 80 in 2018. The college counseling code is 4917. Contact college at 04566 229706 or 9943367007. Website is www.sedu.ac.in. College is located at number 392 Annanagar, Madurai 625020. And the mail ID is sit@sedu.ac.in.